I'm going to talk about the different Medicare supplement insurance companies. And this is a big part of Medicare and the choices that you have when you come into Medicare. So it's very important to understand the differences. And I'm going to go through them and give you an idea on how it works. And I'm Keith Armbrecht, founder of Medicare on Video, and I help people across the country make the right Medicare choices. And I can absolutely help you as well. And one of the best parts, there's no cost to you to use everything that I have to offer to make sure we get your choices right. So I hope you take advantage of everything we have on our site and make sure we understand what our choices are. So I'm going to talk right now about Medicare supplement insurance companies. And this confuses people a lot of times. Medicare supplements are also known as Medigap. Exactly the same thing, different word. Medicare supplement, Medigap is exactly the same. So if you stay on original Medicare, Part A and Part B, you're likely going to get a Medicare supplement policy to cover what A and B do not. And it turns out to be terrific insurance coverage. You almost have 100% coverage, usually a very small deductible and possibly a copay, but we can go through that as well on the different plans. Right now we're going to talk about the companies because, again, it's important to understand that's one of your biggest choices. There's obviously always going to be questions. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, send me an email. I'm happy to help with any part of Medicare without any obligation. So reach out to me. I'm happy to help. When we talk about Medicare supplement plans, it's important to understand they're offered by private insurance companies. So they are not part of Medicare. They're offered by private insurance companies. Those same Medicare supplement plans are standardized. In other words, they are identical. So a Plan G is a Plan G is a Plan G, an N is an N, an F is an F. Doesn't matter which insurance company you get, the benefits are mandated to be exactly the same. So it's super easy to compare apples to apples. And that's exactly what we want to do when we're choosing our Medicare supplement plans. So there are numerous Medicare supplement insurance carriers across the country. Some are in some states, some are in other states, some are almost completely national. So it just depends on where you are. And that's what we do, is we make sure we find the right company at the lowest cost. So you don't necessarily want the cheapest because it may turn out to be not so cheap in the long run. So we want to make sure that we look at things that go along with the choices. And number one is premium. How much does it cost per month? So again, the benefits are exactly the same. So if one company has a Plan G for $90 and another one has a Plan G for $94, rarely does it make sense to choose the $94 unless we see some other flags. And again, usually with smaller companies where you have very little history on how they handle things in the future like rate increases. And rate increases are absolutely a part of Medicare supplement plans. They generally will go up 2 to 3% a year, but sometimes on some companies it can be much higher than that. So we want to make sure we get as stable as we can in the beginning so we don't have to worry about it down the road. And then financial ratings. Are they going to be there when we need them to be there, going forward? So obviously that's very important to understand and choose. And that's what we do, is we make sure we look at every single option, find the best cost with the best carrier so that in the future you don't have to worry about it. And that's exactly what my goal is. Once we get through this whole Medicare maze, that you don't ever think about your health insurance again. It does exactly what you want it to do. You go to the doctor, give them your card, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll get access to all my YouTube videos, and I'd be happy to help. Have a fantastic day.